Hey, how's everyone doing? Today we're going to be unboxing a Seiko Presage. This is not a normal Presage watch. It is actually part of the Prestige line of the Presage by Seiko. And this is the SARX029. It's going to be a really cool watch. Let's check it out. So let me tell you about this watch. It is really cool. They use a special lacquer on here on the face. I can't wait to check it out in person. And the plastic bag, of course, doesn't help it too much, but here, let's take a look at it. It's a special lacquer. It's a Urushi lacquer, and it's supposed to be a deep black, like you can see there, and it is quite stunning when you see it. So the Urushi lacquer that they put on there is not a normal lacquer. It takes lots of training to do this, and it's so valued in Japan because they've been using it for thousands of years, and even on the armor of samurai they're actually coated with this special Japanese lacquer, which I find very cool, and I love how Seiko incorporated their heritage into the watch. And what it is it uses a special tree sap when they make it, and it's a meticulous process. There's a video on it that Seiko put out. It is a stunning video, and I'm going to post a link to that video in the detail section of this video so you guys can check it out. It is breathtaking, and it is amazing the amount of work that these artists have to do to make the dials. So as I spoke about before, in order to do this Japanese lacquer technique, you have to be a master, and the master who does these for the Seiko dials is Isshu Tamura. He's one of Japanese most renowned Urushi lacquer artists. Let's just take some time and talk about how stunning this watch is. I mean, if you really look at the dial, the simplicity, the Roman numerals, the white, the contrast, and then the gold hands, it is a really sharp looking watch. I'm usually not too crazy about dress watches, but these new Presage ones are really hitting it out of the park. And here you can see it again. That black, it's not just a normal black. You gotta just stare at it. You know, it almost feels like you're looking into a pond or something, like a deep pond. So this watch features a sapphire crystal, and the movement caliber is a 6R15, which gives you about 50-hour power reserve. And let's take a look at it on my wrist. Here we go. And this watch is a 40.5 millimeter, and everything I think is ideal about this watch. The size is great for a dress watch. It's not too thick, and it's not too big. The strap is a crocodile strap, and I love how they added those little gold accents on the threads on the band. Really great looking. Well, thanks for taking the time to check us out. Have a good one, guys.